if I want to take you inside, but it's really tough to take you through because there is no soil at the moment. It's only this plant, this snake plant, snake plant. So it's a long time back that I have started growing this snake plant, this smaller version, which really turns out very massive. And if you really wanted to know that how I have made this such a bushy kind of snake plant in a very small pot, that earlier I have using very small conservative pot, and I just keep doing multiply with these leaves, keep doing and keep it doing, and then it turns really very massive. And the soil was very basic with the clay and natural sand, and I've used some of the pumeric stones. So yeah, this is very small and basic stuff that I have done, and it's really turns very beautiful and big. This is just a simple 1-minute video that you can see that how I have made this one in very small pot. In this video I have also share you the previous pot that I have used, and there is no space left here if I want to take you inside, but it's really tough to take you through because there is no soil at the moment. It's only this plant, this snake plant. So yeah, it's very this experiment turns out very nice, and thank you so much for watching this.